Hello, I'm David Jenkins and I'm going to show you the publishing platform for retail from Lexmark. Now what you're looking at here is a conceptual demo of how the application works with ERP systems. So we take retailers' pricing information, product content, images, maybe from a DAM, information from a PIM, and then what we do is we take that data and then we render in real time the ability to print signs on a laser printer. We can print signs to a thermal printer. As you can see, it's already come out here on the little laser printer. We can render content to the correct bitmap resolution, which actually enables the retailers to use any e-cell vendor of their choice. And we can also render content to digital screens. And as you can see, the e-cells are now changing, and we've now got the right drill price, the promotion on the digital sign. And in fact, our application allows also the stores to create multiple products on a single sign. We call it a multi-item sign. And then the final piece in the jigsaw is that we can make this content available to any stream of social media and also the retailer's loyalty schemes. So now what I'm going to show you is the actual app that is used in store. We call this in-aisle publisher. Now, this app will run on any Android device. In fact, I can also use it on my Apple phone. And what I'm going to do, I've got my strawberries here, and actually these strawberries need to be sold through. So I'm going to take this product and I'm going to put it onto what we call a boost promotion. Now, what that means is I'm going to take this Zebra device, and right up here you'll see a mirror of what I'm doing on the device. So I'm going to grab this device, I'm going to scan my product, as you can see there, and then you will see the actual item step up right here on the screen, and then I'm going to boost that promotion. Now you may be thinking, why am I hitting boost and why am I not hitting print? Well, I'll tell you why. Because we're doing two things at once. We're creating a color sign which I can put with my strawberries right here on my fixture, and we're also creating a social media feed which is actually going live to Twitter. And this can go to Twitter, it can go to Instagram, and it can also go to a customer's loyalty scheme, which means that they can drive foot traffic to the stores, and they can see that those strawberries on promotion, they can sell them through, there's less food waste, and the retailer makes more money. Thank you.